how you can get promo codes for Pocket FM. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So, what we're gonna do in this video is just trying out a lot of promo codes, and I'll show you guys where you can get those. So, just open up your web browser and search for Pocket FM promo code. After you do that, you will see on the first link referralcode.app. After you do that, just tap on it and you will see this page right here. And here you can see you can get up to 1000 coins free. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see that using the promo code reduces cost but also increases the number of audiobook collections, and the main objective is to allow consumers to take advantage of the discounted rates. So first, here are a lot of promo codes of different value right here: 300 free coins, 200 free coins, up to 100,000 free coins. So there are other active coupons and promo codes too, so just try those out. You can see here on the message 32 and a lot of promo codes, so just try the promo codes until you find the one that works for you. And yeah, just enjoy. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.